Goko ne kwa Gikuu podcast. Guys, kwena story no ikoretwo trend. Allegations iria turonire must go akiuga uhoro wigie Gachagua. Muthenya wa ira mundu gwitwo Gathoni Wamuchomba na Kimani Ichungwa maroka marashare mbica cia Maureen, and they allege that Rigathi wa Gachagua was involved thĩinĩ wa gĩkuũ kia Maureen. In fact, thĩinĩ wa post ya Gathoni Wamuchomba araugaga arrest arrest arrest, tirenda riu Rigathi wa Gachagua anyitwo. Nake mundu gitwo Kimani Ichungwa thĩinĩ wa post yake andikite a black man with a black heart. Kwenda ciuria ndiroria, hingo Maureen ahurukire, do you know ati Ruto then ni ahurire mamu wa Maureen? Kwena video irathiuka online it's alleged ni ngoria Maureen ahurukire na Ruto gwetweka ni ahurire mamu wa Maureen, na thĩinĩ wa conversation ino ni kuigua akira mamu wa Maureen pole ni undu wa ajali, kogwa ni accident yekikite. Guys, eno video ndamunegetio kinene muno. Subscribe thĩinĩ wa channel ya Gikuu podcast tuguni kwenda kureha maundu ta maya. Eno video ya Ruto then akihura excited ni akihura mamu wa Maureen.
Mama, ujambo? Hello? 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 Nancy, habari? Huyo ni mama wa Maureen? Oh, mimi naitwa William Ruto. Pole sana, nimepiga kusema pole na msiba ya mtoto wako huyo Maureen. Pole sana, niliambiwa juzi kuhusu hiyo ajali ilitokea hapo kwenu. So ndio nimeona ni leo nichukue nafasi nikupigie ujue Maureen alikuwa mmoja wetu katika Jubilee na tulishirikiana na yeye sana, hasa kule Nyeri.
Guys, ni kuigua makiuga thĩinĩ wa video ni ajali, accident. Now hena ciuria ndiroria, if atongoria aya Gathoni na Kimani Ichungwa oguo marauga neguo, niki matangioya ikinya mathitange Rigathi wa Gachagua angĩkome na evidence ya kuiganai, tondu marage claim Rigathi wa Gachagua was involved here? Niki matangioya ikinya moe makinya ma watho mathitange Rigathi wa Gachagua? If they have evidence, they should do so. Number 2, niki marokeria kironda ya family iyo? Family ni mahirete kana mari in process ya kuhira, niki mokeria kironda kiu? Yet ni mahura politics na gikuũ kia mundu na gutire solution mara offer. Because if they have evidence, uria guthia na mbere ni mathie igotine mathitange Rigathi wa Gachagua. Simple. Number 2, niki marokeria kironda makahura politics na undu ucio? And from the phone call moigwa ni ajali. Ndirenda turore tuone uria Maureen Njoroge nake augite, kamwira nyingite thĩinĩ wa comment section mwene na andu uria maugite. Maureen Njoroge augite o oro wa gikuũ kia mundu ugwitwo Maureen, being an accomplice to a crime is in itself a crime. Yesterday, Ruto made very serious allegations against his former deputy Rigathi Gachagua Yet the alleged crime occurred at the time when they were working closely together. When that young woman died in an accident, na maigwa thini wa video ni ajali. Ruto personally called her mother and condoled with her, describing her as a valued supporter they had worked with. At no point did he suggest any foul play. That video still exists. Ni video reu era trend ni udamwekera. Shortly thereafter, he went on to pick Gachagua as the running mate. So the question is, if Ruto believed that Gachagua had committed such grave crime, why did he remain silent, continued working with him, and elevated him to the second highest office in the land? And now, why is these allegations at a political rally instead of presenting evidence to the relevant authority to proper investigation and prosecution? Would he today call that grieving mother again and confidently repeat what he said at the rally yesterday? Because I'm asking myself, niki andu aya mabia kora politics na Gikuu? Because what they should do, na niguo ndauga, if they have enough evidence, nio mena thirikari mabatie guthie igoti-ini magithitake Rigathi wa Gachagua kwiko mena evidence ya kuigana. They should not matigeirwo kora politics na gikuũ kia mundu na matirateithia family iyo. Yet ni kironda maroka makogera thĩinĩ wa family iyo kana haria family iyo irahirite oro ria ugacoka. Now, gĩtũingire thĩinĩ wa conversation thutha wa Gathoni Wamuchomba kwandĩka atĩ Rigathi wa Gachagua agĩrĩirwo kũnyitwo anga andĩkĩte maũndũ maingĩ mũno ndingĩenda gũcia haha ũũ. Andũ nĩmokĩte na makaria na makĩra Gathoni Wamuchomba thĩinĩ wa conversation. Is this the woman I was listening to in Oro FM before niende pale disco? I believe the saying, if you want to know a fool, give them power. Labeling the woods of grieving family without substantiated evidence is neither justifiable nor dignified. If there are facts to support such claim, they belong before a court of law, where due process, not public sentiment, determine the truth. You possess the authority as you are in government, the resources and platform to pursue justice properly. Oyo niguo arauga na andu niguo marauga. Hena andu angi maugite ha atiriri ke ndimuthomere uria angi maugite kera Gathoni, wisdom is paramount. Make decisions that bring peace, not regret. Shameless leaders, you are disgrace to the society who breached our raiders. Mungu atusaidie. Maturity is what makes the difference. Shinomodo aritie kogu aya ru aya ni andu aya maritie guku thiini wa comment section makiarĩrĩria maundu maya, because the fact is, if there was foul play, or if the woman was eliminated na mena evidence ya kuigana aya wanasiasa, they should go to the court and matware evidence yo na mathitake Rwegichi. Matigeirwo kora politics na gikuũ kia mundu na nĩmwaigua ajali accident. Mũtongoria wa bũrũri muona by then iyo thimu ahũragia family yo excited ahũragia mamu wa Maureen. So guys, mwani manyu noiko oyo no horror story yo ikoretwo ĩgĩtrend, inyuĩ murona atia? Guys, it is what it is. Kuri wa Gikuu podcast, kindly subscribe. Thank you. God bless you guys.